Hello, bonjour, buongiorno. More pasta man. More nice. You saw orecchiette, uh, peppers, zucchini, sausage. And we try this drink. Cranberry raspberry. Cranberry raspberry with no additional coloring, so it's clear. And we shall try this right now. Right now. Very bubbly, which is very nice. Ooh, it has that hair product mousse kind of a raspberry smell. Fun fact, I bought a mousse back in the day, so I get like spiky thingies. First day at school, put a bunch in it, go to school. That thing just filled the room. It was pretty nice, but it wasn't nice. Like it filled the room. At least it didn't stink, but it still filled the room with like big raspberry thing. I was just emanating raspberry sound waves. It was a bit embarrassing because at some point people are like, "This is the guy." So then I had to like put it, I don't know, like 40 minutes in advance, so it kind of dried out and the smell became tolerable. So yeah, look at that. Orecchiette, second time on the channel. We did it again. Another pasta creation. I mean, it's not like I invented anything here, but still. Another pasta combination. Another unique for the channel. Orecchiette, mamma mia, I love saying orecchiette. And you saw a fair amount of everything. 2 sweet sausages. A whole like medium-sized whatever zucchini. More than half a pepper. Actually more than half of one pepper almost. Like a quarter of another one. You have the red, orange, and the yellow one. And onions, garlic, a little tomato sauce to go with it. It works magnificently. It works very, very much. Right. It's getting kind of hot there. Bam, 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 pasta man. That's not very gentlemanlike. I couldn't do that at a restaurant, but I did it here. I don't care. It's light. It's not too sweet. 0 calories because of the sucralose or whatever, a mix of those fake sugars. We are saving calories. Nice light taste. I enjoy it. I enjoy the clear color as well. Makes it seem like spring. What do you call it? Carbonated water, which I despise. Bleh. It's like weird water possessed by demons, just around and not supposed to. Either you have flavor or your water. So I can drink and then look fancy, but it actually has flavor. And smells like herbs. Yeah. And this is good. And you know what? It's gonna fill me up. You've seen pasta men eat a lot of pasta, and I'm like, these are all the orecchiette I have. Is it gonna be enough? It's gonna be 2 sausages. You saw like when I was preparing the vegetables with the sausage. I'm like, maybe. Because pasta man loves to make room for pasta. Ooh. So sparkly, it's like fireworks because it's pasta celebration. And it's gonna be a good portion. Because I don't even know if it looks like it's big, but it's pretty big because it's kind of a bowl. I would have used like the big one, and spread it out more and you can see, but I wanted the bowl. Feels fancier. I know I'm not in classy mode, but I'm kind of hungry, so I know I might splash something. I'm not risking it. Mm-hmm. I am enjoying this. I'm enjoying this, and it's actually quiet today. It's a huge truck passes, but that doesn't really count. I'm talking about, those ones. Almost could have ASMR this. I don't know if it makes enough noise. But if you saw my cheesy sausage spinach fettuccine, which was mwah, but the noise they made, good lord. I was stuck. They had company coming in, so food was ready. It's not like I could wait 10 minutes, reheat it, wait 20 minutes. It was the start of whatever gathering they had. I would have been stuck for a few hours. I had nothing else. I had to just suck it up and eat it. And they made so much noise. Boo. Boo. Dinner. And little past the mountain magic trick. Nice little everything. Very nice, very nice. Molto bene. I'll see you. I'll see you. This is good. This was good. Very good.